I'm Janelle Cohen from Straighten Up by Janelle, and today I'm going to show you how to organize your pantry. Step one when organizing your pantry is to start by taking everything out and sorting into categories. Once you pull everything out, it's super important to take this opportunity to really clean all of your shelves, deep clean everything. Next step is to figure out your zones. Where are you going to place things? I use Post-it notes so that I have a good visual of where things are going to go, and then I use organizational bins to keep them in their zones. If you're gonna do anything in your pantry, labels are by far the most important. Labels are the key to accountability. So if you have a big family, if there's a label on stuff, nobody has to ask questions. It's very clear where things are. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this inspires you to go out and organize your own pantry. And thank you to House Beautiful for having me. Make sure to subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram for more tips at Straighten Up by Janelle.